friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Today we will be tattooing myself, and I'm gonna do one on my thigh. I've been meaning to do a tattoo on my thigh for a while because I feel like tattoos are like a way of self-love and self-appreciation for me. So I wanted to dedicate a tattoo for my legs because I do not like my legs. So yeah, but I made some designs and I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put the word grow on it, but I kind of do. It's just hard because it's like very tedious to do stick and pokes with words, so I might not do it for now, and then I'll just do it another time when I'm like better, you know? Get started right now. So this is the best way to position the camera, but this is where I'm gonna tattoo myself in. I already drew it, it's just a flower. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in the grow, but if I can, I will. Here's my needle. I'm wearing shorts, by the way, so don't even think anything, but here we go, guys. To be honest, this ink that comes with the kit really is very thick and it's hard to see. Well, it's looking like something now. I decided to get rid of the grow word because it's too hard to do at the moment, so I'll do it another time. So far, I think it looks great. All done! Yay! Oh, yay! It looks like that up close. But from afar, honestly, it just looks like a mark or like a cross kind of thing. On camera, it looks really weird. My sister said it looks like an Avengers sign, so it looks really good in my opinion. I really like it. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked watching me tattoo myself. I quite enjoy tattooing in general, but I really wouldn't consider it as a profession for myself. To all those who are tattoo artists, I honestly just respect you, and also I will get one done by you one day, so yeah. But for now, I'll keep doing it by myself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope we all keep growing. Bye!